Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about DocuSign, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently close your DocuSign account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a really quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently close your DocuSign account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you're previously working in real estate, and now you switched over to running an online business, so you know that you're not going to be using your DocuSign account, so you permanently like to close off access to all those documents. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the DocuSign app. It's this yellow and black one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open up my DocuSign now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my DocuSign. This is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently close your DocuSign account, I do want to let you know you're not going to be able to close your account until you have an expired membership. So if you recently canceled your subscription with DocuSign and you still have 2 weeks that are paid, you're going to have to wait those 2 weeks until your complete subscription has expired before you can permanently close your DocuSign account. If not, you will get an error, and we're going to go over that in just a minute. However, in order to permanently close your DocuSign account, click on this hamburger menu here on the top left, these 3 horizontal lines. Once you click there, you will see a drop-down menu, and in order to permanently close your DocuSign account, click on Account. It looks like a little person icon next to it. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the different pricing plans that are available for your membership with DocuSign. So maybe if the current plan is too expensive, you can easily just downgrade if you wish to do so. But if you're sure you'd like to permanently close your DocuSign account, click on this line right here called Manage Account. Okay, before we go any further, guys, I want to let you know, if you're simply looking just to cancel your monthly subscription with DocuSign, you're going to click on this line right here called Manage Plan. I usually do that if I'm not going to be doing any transactions, but I might come back to DocuSign for future deals. So if you cancel your monthly subscription with DocuSign, you still keep your account. You can log back in and then sign up again when you wish to do so. But if you're sure you'd like to go ahead and permanently close your DocuSign account, go ahead and click on this line right here called Close Account. Okay, guys, so this is the error that I was talking about earlier. So for me personally, I still have my DocuSign account and it's going to expire in about 2 or 3 weeks from now. So at this time, I cannot permanently close my DocuSign account. I will need to log in once my subscription has expired, even though I've already canceled my subscription. So that's okay. However, if it's already expired, you will have the option here to go ahead and permanently close your DocuSign account. Before you do that, though, just note that any documents that you have inside of your DocuSign account, you will permanently lose access to those. So make sure that you go ahead and go download those documents before you permanently close your DocuSign account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently close your DocuSign account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.